Wow, Speedster, this name actually sounds so cool. So I think this is our today's superstar, right?
Yes, this is the latest model of combine harvester, which is especially tailored for Indian market. After market research and product validation, we introduced this Speedster series, which consists of FH88 and FH100, representing for 88 horsepower and 100 horsepower respectively.
So, can you actually tell us how fast the Speedster is?
The speed is the highlight of this product, and the highest operating speed can be 2.2 meters per second. Compared to the competitors, it is 20% faster, greatly improving the harvest efficiency. What's more, this model have low, medium, and high 3 gears. Compared to the similar brand, they only have 2 gears. So the operators of Speedster have more options to select the best gear according to the field and harvest condition. And one more thing, Speedster has not only faster harvesting speed, but also high fuel efficiency.
Then why this product can achieve such a high efficiency of operation?
First and foremost, this product is equipped with turbo diesel engine, which has large reserve torque and extreme strong power. Secondly, it is equipped with 45 cubic centimeter per round high-capacity HST for hydraulic transmission system. The HST pump shaft is made of carbon-rising material, and the connection of its sleeve is gap-free meshing, which can provide smoother operation. And most importantly, we have upgraded to meshing sleeve gearbox, which can ensure easy shifting of gears without any hassle, but with outstanding stability and durability. Compared to other brands in the market, most of them are still using sliding meshing transmission. I have to say we are way better than them. Apart from this, by using Bridgestone high-quality track, Speedster has great performance of ground gripping, steering, and climbing. And the 500 mm width of the belt ensures a smaller ground pressure, great passing ability, and mud resistance, which means it's more suitable for muddy field. What's more, the header is 2 meters or 2.2 meters wide optionally, which ensures a large feeding, and the reserve handle of the header can quickly solve the blockage, which all greatly improve the efficiency. Last but not least, 1,400 liter or 1,530 liter large grain tank reduces the frequency of unloading, and the 160 liter large fuel tank reduces the frequency of refilling, thus keeping the continuity of the operation.
So, in addition to high speed and the efficiency, what else do we have?
At the meanwhile of pursuit for speed, we also emphasize on cleanliness. Diameter of 620 mm large vertical stretching roller ensures thorough stretching, less loss and impurity. The strong cleaning capacity with strengthened stretching bar can reach the maximum of 1.2 ton per hour. We also strengthen the secondary stretching roller and the structure of concave to improve the stretching and conveying capacity. What's more, the concave is widened to 1080 mm with 1.76 square meters, a super large cleaning area. Again, lowers the impurity rate of the grain and effectively guarantees the grain quality.
So, what if the crop is lodging? How good the performance is?
This product can easily harvest the lodging crop. Please have a look on its header. We apply the large arc on the spring teeth so it can fall below the cutting knife. And we optimize the angle of rear bracket. All of the design facilitate harvesting lodging crop.
So, is this long pipe used to unload the grain?
Yes, it is. This model equipped with 270-degree high position unloading system with hydraulic rotation. The maximum height is 4.3 meters. The unloading is not bothered by the environment such as the tree branch or field range, which means it is convenient and a wide range of application.
So, Mr. Xun, can you tell me how to operate it?
This model just uses one single joystick to operate. Pretty easy and convenient. Come on, let's have a try.
Okay.
See here, simply press this button, we can operate the auger. And by using this handle, we can operate the reel up and down. Pretty easy to learn it, right?
Yeah. Wow, this product, I really think it's very perfect. So let's just have a look on its workmanship and details, alright?
Sure, actually there are many upgrades that are invisible. We have improved durability, adaptability, operability, and maintenance. First, we add a stainless steel shield on the upper unloading auger by welding. Second, the workmanship of internal vibro sieve is changed from spray paint to color galvanization, which improves the wear resistance and lifespan at the same time. Third, the sport wheel bolts of chassis are all changed into short bolt connection, and protect covers are equipped. We redesigned the front and rear ends of the frame to round angle. It can prevent the damage to truck from accidental collision. I also have to mention the heart of the machine, the engine. The radiator blade is in bigger size, and an auxiliary water tank is equipped, which can more effectively avoid overheating. All in all, the adaptability of the whole machine is significantly improved.
So this product is actually really beyond my all expectations, and I really felt like you are taking serious all the details, and I'm sure that this product will bring to all the clients in the world the best experience. I myself was like, I arrived to the West Field and saw the bumper harvest.